Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss individual demand and market demand or extension and contraction of demand. So let's start from individual demand. Individual demand, it refers to the demand for particular commodity by individual consumer. Let us suppose our particular commodity is ice cream. It means कि एक कंज्यूमर की आइसक्रीम के लिए जो डिमांड होगी उसे क्या बोलेंगे, इंडिविजुअल डिमांड. Now consumption of one commodity at different prices, it means consumption of ice cream at different prices. Now we will understand individual demand from table and diagram. When the price of ice cream is 1 rupees, I have purchased 4 ice cream. When the price increase from 1 to 2, I decrease the quantity of ice cream 3. And when price increase from 2 rupees to 3 rupees, I have decreased the quantity 3 to 2. And when the price increase from 3 rupees to 4 rupees, I have decreased the quantity of ice cream and come in 1 ice cream. So now we will understand from diagram. When the price of ice cream is 1 rupees, I have purchased 4 ice cream. When the price is increased, I decrease the quantity of ice cream. Again, when the price is increased from 2 rupees to 3 rupees, I have decreased the quantity of ice cream. Or at last, when the price increased from 3 rupees to 4 rupees, I have purchased only 1 ice cream. Or in x-axis we will take quantity and y-axis we will take price of ice cream. So it's a individual demand. Now we will discuss market demand. Market demand, it refers to the demand for particular commodity. That particular commodity is ice cream. Again, that particular commodity is ice cream. Means it refers to the demand for particular commodity by 2 or more consumer. The 2 and more consumer is consumer A plus consumer B. So it is a list which represent about how much quantity demanded is demand by consumer A and B. Means कि कंज्यूमर ए एंड कंज्यूमर बी ने एक मार्केट में आइसक्रीम की कितनी डिमांड की, वो हुई हमारी मार्केट डिमांड. सो व्हेन द प्राइस ऑफ आइसक्रीम इज ₹1, then the both consumer A and consumer B are doing 4 plus 4 demand. Total demand is 8. The demand by consumer A and B. Or when the price is ₹2, then the demand is 6 by consumer A and B. Consumer A and B. Consumer A and B. Means at this point, when the price of ice cream is increased from 3 rupees to 4 rupees, the both of consumer A and B are doing the demand only 2 ice cream. So it's a market demand. x-axis we will take quantity and y-axis we will take extension and contraction of demand. Extension of demand, it means increase in demand, or contraction of demand, it means decrease in demand. So now we will discuss extension of demand. Other things being equal, when the price of a commodity is decreased, the demand for that commodity is increase. Means the price of a commodity is decreased from 5 rupees to 1, our demand is increased from 1 to 5. x-axis we will take demand and y-axis we will take price. When the price of a commodity is 5 rupees, our demand is 1 rupees. And when the price is decreased from 5 rupees to 1, our demand is increased from 1 to 5. So it's a extension of demand. It means when the price of a commodity is decreased, our demand for that commodity is increased. Now we will discuss contraction of demand. Other things being equal, when the price of a commodity is increased, the demand for that commodity is decreased. Means जब किसी commodity के price increase होते हैं तो उस commodity के लिए हमारी demand कम हो जाती है. और contraction of demand, it means decrease in demand. So when the price of a commodity is increased, is increased from 1 to 5, our demand is decreased from 5 to 1. So when the price of a commodity is 1, our demand is 5. And when the price is increased from 1 to 5, our demand is decreased from 5 to 1. So it's a contraction of demand. Means when the price of a commodity is increased, the demand for that commodity is decreased. So it's a contraction of demand. Again, OX axis we will take demand and OY axis we will take price. So it's a contraction of demand and it's a extension of demand. Thank you.